Have you ever done anything that's big and scary, but you've wanted your whole life? Hey everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, this is I've wanted braces since I was like 10 when other kids got braces. And that really wasn't in the cards for me, so, hey, adult braces. And I thought, why not vlog my first week? So here we are. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. Today we're doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog video because, well, I'm getting braces. Yeah, I'm 38 years old, creeping up on 40. But one of my lifelong dreams has always been to have straight teeth. And the opportunity has come up. And I'm scared in the I don't know what to expect kind of scared. And I'm excited in the I can't believe this is happening excited. The way I explained it to my husband is like when I found my wedding dress. I found a dress that was nearly perfect. The only thing that was, it looked great. It fit well, all that stuff. However, I wanted a darker underlay. And it was like finding out that my dress could have that darker underlay. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. So anyway, today is my first day. Well, I'm going to go to the gym, but then with my itchy head. And then I'm going to go to the orthodontist and get braces. Holy crap. I'm also going to insert some before pictures and some after. And I'll do this kind of a video periodically because I'm sure I'm not the only one. Right? Hey everyone. So I just got home and I ate some Dipping Dots because the ortho gave them to me. But I have my braces. Here. They took a little longer than anticipated, but it wasn't terrible. I've had longer and more difficult things. Excuse me for the burp. But since I went to the gym and then I went to the ortho and got these, I haven't had the opportunity to shower and get ready for the day. But so far, we're an hour into it. I think we're okay. Hey everyone, it's Amanda here. But you knew that, right? So I'm driving. I have a camera on a teeny tiny tripod that I'm holding. I haven't checked in, but I have them. I'm nearly 24 hours with braces, and guys, it's not that big of a deal. It feels awkward having all the extra stuff in my mouth. But overall, it's not that big of a deal. I ended up, sorry, they gave us a water pick and like a little emergency kit, simply because it was like a little toothbrush I could throw in my purse and floss and stuff like that, wax. But guys, this is so far not a big deal. Everyone, good morning.
It's day 4 of the braces. And guys, my mouth is just like lifting weights or something like that. You have to develop calluses on your hands. Hey, when I get those are friggin' awesome. But my mouth is developing calluses essentially. And so there's a lot of times where I have to use the wax, mostly when I'm sleeping, because the weight of my head on the pillow and just the way I sleep, it doesn't work. I do have, I'm in my office now, / beauty room, because I'm uploading a video, Doggy's Day Out. It'll be linked up above. He's just so cute. You guys gotta love him too. Wally, that would be my dog's name. But I'm gonna watch a YouTube video or while that's uploading and make the thumbnail. But so some things I have learned is, other than wax is your friend, so is lip balm, because these bad boys get chapped. And every teenager with braces, you go a lot. So that's annoying, but only to me. Sorry, I'm watching a neighbor and I'm like, what the F? What are they doing? Oh, okay. See, not being a morning person, I have to question what everyone's doing in the morning. Like, why? Why are they awake? They're getting ready for church and they're bringing stuff with them. Okay. Because it's Sunday. In my house, it's time to meet the press. Let me say that again. It's Sunday, so in my house, that means it's time to meet the press. It's not time for anything other than that. So I am about ready to go take my dog out kayaking because it is 80 degrees out. I am not sitting around indoors trying to figure out what to film for makeup. What I'm going to do is go outside and play. Yay! So today is day 5. I've been to the gym. I did a Zumba class this morning with some friends, and we're all friends. We all know each other really well there. And we talked about braces and other stuff, which was good. But what I have discovered with my braces is, it's not that a lot of people have done it. Adult braces are kind of, excuse me, I'm taking off my glasses because they're dirty. Adult braces, we all do it because we're vain. I have discovered I look like Butthead or Beavis. No, Butthead, the brunette from Beavis and Butthead, and I find that hilarious. Yeah. There's not a whole heck of a lot to say other than the first few days there is a lot of pressure around where they put the brackets and the wire. Oh, my hands are holding the camera, but right? I don't know. Can you see that? Yeah, brackets and wire. We're just gonna leave it at that. And yeah, stay on top of it because, when you go eat something, all kinds of stuff ends up in there, like bread. That's fun. I found a strawberry seed yesterday too. That was pretty interesting. If you keep your food small, it keeps it a lot easier to chew. Wax is your friend, so are smoothies. But I already knew about the smoothies because I do that a lot anyway. All right, so the puppy and I are going to go kayak. we're going to talk to you guys later. Bye. I am getting out makeup, and I am gonna go do stuff for my grandparents because that's what they do. They need help. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me, but I'm about to film that. Yeah, we're at day 6. Other than the fact that I look like Butthead from Beavis and Butthead and have to do that a lot, we're fine. At night, I do take a leave or an naproxen sodium. And, sorry, I am picking up stuff around. I do that anyway. But other than that, life it's not a big deal. Though I have learned, maybe it's because of the excess drooling, that it is time to really focus on lip care. You have to have, and we'll discuss that later. But, little things I'm learning. Things like bread, probably not the most appropriate things to eat. Like, if I were to have white bread, that would be no bueno. But life is good. So, yeah. Day 6. Thumbs up. Guys, just wanted to check in with you on day 7 of the braces. And, yeah. I've been saying this. It's just uncomfortable. It's odd. It's not normal. I look like Butthead from Beavis and Butthead. Which, by the way, that is exactly what my husband and I are going to be for Halloween. He doesn't understand how funny that is, because he's not, yeah. Anyway, so, anyway, guys, what shirts did Beavis and Butthead wear? I remember one is AC/DC, and what was the other? I remember where was Stuart, and I'm putting way too much thought into that right now. But, yeah, so we've made it through the first week. I have learned a few things, and that is lip care, so chapstick, lip balm, lip masks, whatever your jam is, you do you. And oral care is huge, and that is still annoying. But yeah, survived day 7. I've worked in the garden. I'm gonna go get my dog out before the weather. That's that's a window. Before the weather gets yucky, and yeah. So yeah. We'll see you guys later. Bye. So guys, that's my first week with braces. I got them on a week ago today. Well, last Thursday, but 7 days. So if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And you guys have a good one. Bye.